Hello, in this video I will show you how you can find what apps a successful Shopify store are using. So you can copy a similar layout and design like them. For example, I am putting an URL into this web app called scanstores.app, which link will be given in the description, and then I will click on detect. After clicking the detect, we can see this particular store is using Replo and Rebuy personalization engine and also Impulse as their theme customization Impulse theme. So this how if you found a competitor you can just come on to that particular website, put the URL and click on detect to find out what app they are using, and that will be very easy to detect and create a store like them. So if you want to create a store like them, you will need a Reflu page builder. However, I can help you to build custom page as well. So you can just copy similar type of layout using a Reflow. So I hope that makes sense. So just like that, you can extract all apps and theme they are using. Thanks for watching.